Kubur ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra
Uksiang jongka sengking atiar New Trap National Liberation Council uba sadon kebla haga arpusau terik ujeleu arajar arpulai ula pentip baga Ministry of Home Affairs kala Kubur ya gajing terwa jongka seng ban ai gajing map ya barok ki Mukotduma persya ya ki khot jongka khnang baga jingkhang jongka Jingkyrpad yesuk kandup ple keluit Shuagane kinong mikmat jongga Hnlc gila syong jinyalang bat kiksiang balatung da sorkar pedeng bagentup yau PK Mishra bat kiksiang balatung da sorkar jela bagentup yau ba PS dekar bat uba Roni Walang ban yathir yatai halor kani galenti yakren yasuk hapedeng ga Hnlc ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jela uba sadon bla ulai thu ba Jingkyrpad hagani ga jinyalang kalong bai tek tang halor ga jingmap no yaki Mukotduma bat yaki wei ki kendon jong ga Jingkyrpad yasuk
discussing in the first round of formal talk to the state government designate yaki agmat ki official jona ba kita menjadi state government baru di Roni Walang ba bermintalan dari ke resolution government ini betul participate dari ke stop dah pada kalian home ministry awal di wiki Bishar mula jadi untuk SIB ini tak beraya jadi kadang ni kalau baik pengeluaran punya betul-betul sangat dia ni this process but kapan pemilai kadang ni kalau dia kaju pemerintah ke pemilai kapan kata ketika amnesty ban day menaik amnesty juga makanya this process sama ya kepada kalian amnesty Kubur ban consider supaya kata jing berawa juga agency bahkan saya keren kita bentar bahkan sakit tadi ini apa ini seni ban soal kerjaan das ni kalau take supaya kata amnesty bagi kiwi technicalities kiba ya deh bahkan ini peace process kata ke pengakuan penting kerjaan kata ya hadu kata level status kerjaan kata hadu kata respons yang government ni kalau ba nak yang diberawan mana kinsara kata kita message ke bagi apa semua siap sokal ba kinsara saka office concern juga nama amnesty kedai kembali itu juga state government kedai juga central government nama boleh tidak KNI cases kiba lah dari ke jurisdiction juga central government kumangalong mentan ba kinsara office kinsa study ya kata jing bu kapang ke bala bu Chelsea kemas but seperti ini yang di sini pasal untuk sini di agenda jong kasih nomor ba 4 ya syai syai tadi number of cases kita ada pending ya syai tadi number of cases belum pending tinggal alam please kita agenda mak nomor kau ika belum kecikan kabar play dah kabar consider di cases kita ikut mesti kita nak belum kecikan kabar play dan salah kita agenda dalam 4 ni kecikan nomor kebujuan ini pasal perkara tadi politikal agenda.
Sebab sebuah di kocong ini kita ni kita langsung jen atau orang utara kan. Tapi kita kalau kembali perkara kan. Bah ada government ada kasim kalau decision bagi ya. Penbaik yang kali amnesty ni, ban release ni, ban withdraw ini cases, tak kan smoothen ya proses. Kita dari dengan numbers lagi boleh numbers. Lepas kalau involve di CJM course. Apa kasih health jaja health kutari boy kutater kibun bagi kes kita meski bagi sebenarnya orang rasa kita susah kena ada susah pada untuk kita it was very much positive Setes kumba kalaya ka Jingkyrpad hi nakaliang i Bishar personally lamar ka ni ka kasi ka balay ka pasabong ni kenduli. Tad today mo ka Jingkyrpad mo ka biang. Ila simpiai wan mi chudu chane namang may ko kung gajit bila may sa Manipur darang ya ki Jingkyrpad ste. Ya prenjo ko tar idang por ban wan chane nak tajong ni ta ka Hnlc. Ini ro nakaliang ka san ni sungo. Baka kat kung MSU betul kita juga MSU idang platform wan pania so ya kini Jingkyrpad tu.
Ngila yakran bentam dan hadir bagi yakran tekila anak kalian kila bu kajing suggestion kalian ka home ministry kila bu suggestion ya ka bangin pala ai mana hi hantu po ya show meeting ni show meeting minta nang ada kan ke plus juga min se communicate pat ka government central state ba lalu ni show meeting kan it's a hadir ada show meeting yo in matter of weeks it's a good
Kamdi man ba po lagi deh tempat. Katong kan niat katong proses ini. Lemar kani kalau katong cerita mau judiciary kalau involve ke. Teka embassy kalau involve, state government kalau involve te. Kani ka kam ka baliya sama kan. Ya definitely kita kan dalam ni report kita withdraw. Kan barang ya ke proses, kani ka proses lo kan ya ke.
If they agree to your proposal.
Today was a follow-up to the meeting that was held with the state government in the presence of the Deputy Chief Minister, who is also a Home Minister, and Chief Secretary that was held last month. And so the meeting today from the state government, the representative are Peter Khan and Ronnie Walang, and from the Central Home Ministry, it was the Sir A.K. Bishar, who is the interlocutor of the northeastern part of India, and also the head of the SIB, what was her name?
Madam Amongla.
Yes, Madam Amongla. So the transcription, that the discussion and the negotiation that we talked today is about, we can say another chapter on the peace process. For example, to say as another chapter of the peace process means today we have talked about the need for the waiving of all criminal charges against the cadres and leaders of Hnlc, and also the granting of amnesty to the various charges that possibly the government might have pressed charge against the cadres and leaders of Hnlc. There are two nature of charges. The first we have, two nature. One kind of charges is state level charges. And the other is the central authorities that any charge that may have charges the Hnlc leaders. One example we can say is so far we can say that the central charges against the leaders of Hnlc is the NIA charge sheet and the summoning notice issued by the NIA against 4 leaders of the Hnlc, that including the chairman and the secretary. So that is a matter which has hampered this peace process so far. And secondly, the charges are the state authorities that they have charged, maybe from police department or from whatever department, against the various leaders. There are multiple such cases in different districts of Meghalaya. So the discussion today was how the government move forward. Both central and state government, how do they move forward to reconsider all these charges before the peace process finally move on.